Hi folks, here we have a really nice Stuart beam engine that I've had for several years. I've just realized I've never run this on steam. It runs my sawmill, and I'm going to run it on steam here in a second. Currently it's running on compressed air. I pulled it out from under the shelf, cleaned it up a little bit. It's never had a lick of paint on it that I can see. There's not even any remnants left anywhere. But it runs incredibly smooth and well. And probably my best runner overall. It's running on about 1.5 pounds, and that's all it takes for this. Actually, it'll run a little bit slower, but I'm going to fire it up, steam it off my boiler here, and it's coming up to steam pretty rapidly. So in a second I'll pause this and we'll hook it up. Okay, I'm going to pause this here in a second. Let's throw something over this Stuart 9 because it's going to get doused. And that's coming up really quick, so I'm going to hook up the steam line and I'll be right back. Okay, like I said, folks, I've never steamed this that I can have a video of, and I'm sure I'd made one if I did. So here we go. I turned my variac down on the boiler because it's bumping right at the top. Turn it up just a little bit more. There we go. The valve is not terribly sensitive. There she is, first run on steam since I've had it. I plan on replacing my sawmill. Just ran my sawmill, and I'm going to replace it with the Stuart 9 I just covered up. Seems more fitting for a sawmill than a beam engine. And she really runs a treat. Really quiet. No knock, no vibration. I have to figure out a new life for it now. It's not running my sawmill. Thanks for looking, folks.